Hello, I'm Amber Johnson, your Cheyenne Homes for Heroes real estate specialist. Today I'm excited to introduce you to one of our local Homes for Heroes lenders. Nancy Knaub is here to share some information with you about getting pre-qualified, closing costs, and how she gives back to Heroes.
Hello, my name is Nancy Knaub, and I'm a Homes for Heroes mortgage lender. My desire to be part of the Homes for Heroes team was an easy decision, as I knew I could be part of a team that helps those who make such a difference in our community. It's always exciting to help home buyers purchase a new home, whether they're a first-time buyer or a repeat buyer, and to help them find the right loan program that meets their needs. Through the financing process, I have the ability to give back to heroes who give of themselves. The pre-qualification process to buy a home can be intimidating, but such an important first step before you start looking for your new home. Through the pre-qualification process, I'll be asking about your employment history, your income. I'll be pulling your credit report to determine creditworthiness and your monthly debt obligations, which in turn then allows me to determine the maximum amount of monthly mortgage payment you qualify for. Also, I will consider your assets and your ability to have a down payment, which helps me place you in the right loan program. As part of the pre-qualification process, there will also be supporting documentation that will be required, such as current pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. When purchasing a new home, it's important to remember that you will be required to have a down payment, unless you are financing with a VA home mortgage. But another important part of your home purchase can be the closing costs that are required to be paid as part of the transaction. The closing costs are costs charged by parties involved in the home buying process, as well as lender-required items for your mortgage loan. These costs include such things as your appraisal, your flood determination, your title work to ensure that you get a clean title to the property you are buying, homeowner's insurance, and more. The closing costs are part of every home purchase and should not be overlooked when considering the money needed to buy your home. As a Homes for Heroes lender, I credit money back towards your closing costs and help you reduce those funds necessary to buy your home. Let me help you purchase your next home and show my appreciation to you for what you do within our community.
Thank you so much, Nancy. You definitely help make the home buying process stress-free as possible. So you out there, if you are a firefighter, law enforcement, military, healthcare worker, EMS, and teachers, you are all considered heroes within the program. You can reach me at 307-640-4355 or at CheyenneHeroes.com.